Hello, it's me.
Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. You're gonna learn some amazing things. How many days a week do you need to work? You can work however many days a week you want to. There's 7 days. That reminds me, my kids used to sing that.
There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. You choose which ones you want to work. There are 7 days in a week.
How much money can you make? I think the income potential here is truly unlimited. It costs nothing to get started. This is an absolutely free opportunity for you. No. You will not need to keep inventory. We are going to teach you how to socially sell. No inventory at your house, no more hoarding, no more. That's a tough one. I chose this business over other businesses just because I saw the potential in not just the comp plan, but what they were also offering for the customers. Customer perks are extremely important when you're trying to grow your network. You are gonna get loads and loads of training. Loads. When I say lots, I mean lots. I'm talking training video modules. I'm talking live training webinars. Anything and everything you can think of. Plus, you'll also get added into our group for more information.
Hello.
To get started, all you have to do is click my link. Just click my link and join. It's free. It's a free opportunity and you have absolutely nothing to lose. Buying a kit versus not buying a kit. Look at me. I want to spend money for no reason when I don't have to. Do it, Kim, do it! I want to spend money, lots and lots of money on a kit. Take my money. Take it. La, la, la. And I forgot what I was gonna say. That's just great.
Started.
Zombie on the track.
Started from the bottom.